So it's Saturday the 19th of August and Ipswich are at home to Brentford, and for the first time in 15 months I'm going to be there. I've not been to Portman Road in over a year because I had my little boy Harry last year, and living in Yorkshire it didn't feel right coming this far away from him while he was that little. But his auntie Madeleine is looking after him today, and I am heading to my favourite place in the whole world. I'm on the A14 at the moment, and driving down here, it's this road that I've been going down since I was 10. So for over 2 decades I've been driving down this road on a Saturday morning, heading off to the football, usually to dump my car at a mate's and go down the pub for all day and all night. And it's just so familiar, even though I haven't been here for over a year, and even though before that it's only usually once or twice a year. It's just so comforting, and it makes me really start to miss home. And it makes today very special. Whether the sense of occasion will transfer over to Ipswich, I'm not entirely sure. We've had an incredible start to the season, but the trouble with doing that is that when you've had 4 wins in a row, you can't help but wonder when that run is going to end. On the other side of it, of course, we are completely stricken down with injuries, and that is making me really nervous, particularly with Chambers. I was gutted for poor Tommy Smith, and that's a long-term injury as well, but to find out that Chambers is now gone as well with the loss of Berra over the summer, which was the right thing, it was the right time, but it's making me really nervous about what we're going to do in defence. I'd like to see a win. I think it'll be a nervy win, but I think we can do it. And do you know what? Whatever the result, it doesn't really matter, because actually what today's about is about me being home.
I've been down and I'm wondering why these little black clouds keep walking around with me, It's time and I'd rather be high. Think of walk me outside and buy a rainbow smile, but they're free. They are free. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. I look around at a beautiful life. I've been the upside of down, been the inside of out, but we breathe. We breathe. I wanna breathe in an open mind. I wanna swim in the ocean, wanna take my time for me. Tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home.
The team itself, absolutely gobsmacked. I was expecting with the injuries for McCarthy to go defensive. Not that he's got a defence to play, but was pleased and excited to see 4 strikers on the pitch, and it obviously worked. It obviously paid off. We had our chances, and the chances that we had, we took. I should have put money on it being Waghorn and Ghana, because it's just their time at the moment. Gosh, if only we'd had them a year ago, we wouldn't have had to put up with last year, I don't reckon. But we finally, I think, had the replacement for Murphy. It's taken 2 players to do it. I thought Bart was a bit wobbly today. I hate to be a traitor to my own kind, but I wasn't massively keen on him. There was a save when he was in front of the North Stand where he pushed it away, and I thought he should have caught it personally. But equally, there was when he tipped it over the bar and point blank stop at our end, and you know, it's Bart being Bart basically. I thought that Jonas had a cracking game again, and was really pleased when Scouse told him to do the fist pump at the end. I thought that was a really nice touch, nice moment, and it was nice. It was a nice feeling. There was a moment in the North Stand crowd where they sang "Mick McCarthy, your football is great," and it was completely smothered with sarcasm, and everybody laughed and then cheered and then joined in, and it was like, do you know what? We're having fun being Ipswich fans at the moment. Who knows how long this will last? Who knows whether McCarthy has really made up for last year, which I don't actually think he's got much to make up for, but that's a whole other story. We're having fun at the moment, and this is great, and we know it's not going to last forever, but hell, why shouldn't we enjoy it? From my point of view, I've had the most perfect day. I've had time seeing friends, my northern away days buddies who made it down to Ipswich today for first time since the playoffs for them. I thought it was a long time since that I'd been here. I got to see the people that I used to see when I came down here more regularly. I got to see friends from school that I haven't seen for probably a decade. A bit scary, but really lovely catching up with them. And it's what today should have been. It was fun. I was so glad to be home. And seeing the look on my friend Brett's face as well, knowing that he felt the same, really made that day special. And like I said before, it wouldn't have mattered to me if it had been a defeat. Well, that would have mattered, let's be honest. It wouldn't have mattered if it had been a draw. That was kind of what I was expecting with our injuries at the moment, but just the fact it was a win